નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is natural resources. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have learned about the types of the soil. In these types of the soil, dear children, we have to learn that according to ICAR, it means Indian Council of Agriculture and Research, divided the Indian soil into the 8 types. Which types? Alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil, forest soil, marshy or peaty soil. So dear children, in detail, the previous lecture we have to learn about each and every soil. And out of that, dear children, you remember about the black soil. Black soil, it is also known as a rigor soil, and it is also known as a cotton soil. Don't confuse it. Now dear children, today we have to learn about the soil erosion. What happened that today we have to learn about the soil erosion. Now the erosion, it means the transportation of the land particle from the one place to the another with the help of moving air and water. That is known as a soil erosion. What is the soil erosion, dear children? Soil erosion, it means the erosion means the transportation of the land particle, from one place to the another with the help of moving air and water. That is known as a erosion. In another word, dear children, you can say that the faster transportation of the particle to the surface land and other place by the natural forces. It takes the many years to form the upper layer. The soil particle carried away because of heavy rains or by stormy winds, then the agriculture production is decreased. What happens then, dear children? We remember that if the soil particles are carried away because of heavy rains or stormy winds, then the agriculture production is decreasing. So what happens that it is the extremely necessary that we have to maintain about the upper layer of the earth. What happens that, dear children? This is the requirement that we have to maintain the upper layer of the earth. It means we have to maintain about the upper layer for the agriculture sector. So the soil erosion should be prevented if we have to take on the care of the upper layer of the soil. Now which are the measures to prevent the soil erosion, dear children? They are given about the measure to prevent the soil erosion. First, they are saying that we have to control the grazing activities on the land. What happens then? That is a requirement that we have to control the grazing activities on the land. Second, plantation should be carried out in the counter method in the slopy region. What they are saying, they have to say that there is a requirement of the plantation should be carried out into the slopy region area. Next, plant train the fallows land. It means we have to plant the more train. So the plant train the fallows lands. Next one, construct the check dam where there are the stream. There is a requirement that we have to construct the more check dam where there is a more stream is there. Cultivate very deeply in the field of reduce the speed of the water. What happens then? Cultivate very deeply in the field and we have to reduce the speed of the water. So these all are the measure to prevent the soil erosion. Now next one, dear children, they have given about the information of the soil conservation. Which one? Soil conservation. Now soil conservation, it means to prevent the soil erosion and to maintain its quality. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that soil conservation, it means we have to prevent, we have to stop the soil erosion as well as we have to maintain its soil quality. Soil conservation is directly connected with the return of the soil particles at their original places. So what happens that, dear children? Soil conservation is directly connected with the retain soil particle at their original places. And because of that, dear children, they have to say that the different remedies are to be used at the different level. What happens? There will be a different kind of the remedies are to be used at the different places at the world according to their location, according to their problem. If the soil is not conserved, then there are the chances of the flood. Dear children, we remember, underline in your textbook. If the soil is not conserved, then there is a chances of the flood with enhance the risk against the life and the property. Thus, we can say that the soil conservation is very much necessary. So, what happens, dear children? We can say that the soil conservation is very necessary. Here, dear children, they have given about the method of the soil conservation with the picture of the surface of the runoff water harvesting in the terrace slope of the most of the water stored therein. Next, they have given that water and in the faster flow, the percolate less in the soil, the water accumulated on the terrace of the percolate, slowing in the range of the groundwater level. Now, dear children, they have given about the remedies for the soil conservation. What they are given? They are given for the remedies for the soil conservation. In this, dear children, they are saying that the roots of the forest cover hold up the soil particle. Whatever the tree roots are there, the tree roots hold the soil particles. Second, plant tree in the river gorge and on the mountain slope. It means here there is a need for more planting. It means plant more tree. Next, a series of the tree should be grown near the desert region to prevent the wind with more velocity. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that a series of trees should be grown near the desert region to prevent the wind with the more velocity, and it will stop the advancing desert. Next, dear children, they are saying that the river flood should be controlled by diverting their flow in their other river and dry river beds. This is the most important one. What happened that, dear children, they have to say that river flood should be controlled due to the soil conservation. And here, what happened then? We can divert the flow of the river into the river beds. The unrestricted and pasturing the loosen of the soil layer on the mountain, and it should be the prevented. Dear children, after they have given one image in your textbook about the terrace farming as well as the horizontal cultivation. Next, dear children, they are also saying that the method like horizontal cultivation, terrace farming, etc. should be the implemented. Which kind of the method we have implemented? Terrace farming and horizontal cultivation. After, they are also saying that humus content should be added to the soil which is loses fertility. What they are saying, dear children, they are saying that humus content should be added, and because of that, soil which had lost its fertility. So, by implementing these remedies, soil can be the conserved. Whatever the remedies we are learning, dear children, because of that we can conserve our soil. The conservation soil is a strong necessity today. What happened that, dear children? Which is the necessity today we have required? The necessity of today we have required is that conservation of the soil. And because of that, dear children, government, society and the people should work together for the conservation, and this is the responsibility of each and everyone, not only for the government. That this is the responsibility and duty of the government, society and the people. They are should working together for the conservation of the soil. So what happened, dear children? In this chapter we have learned about the natural resources, about uses of resources, resources of food, resources as a raw material, resources as energy resources. After, dear children, we have learned about the types of resources. After, we learn soil formation, soil, types of the soil, as well as we learn about the soil erosion and the soil conservation. So, dear children, in this chapter, you remember about one is a black soil. This is the important question for the board examination point of view. After, dear children, you remember about the what is the renewable resources and what is the non-renewable resources. Renewable, it means this is the reused resources. Non-renewable, it means that cannot be reused resources. So, dear children, I hope you can understand this chapter. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.